Hello, welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about monitor and assess T-joint on MS pipe, 60 mm dia with 3 mm wall thickness in flat position, arc constant by Gas Metal Arc Welding.
At the end of this topic, you'll be able to draw pipe development as per drawing. Set the job on the welding table and tack weld. Weld using GMAW process. Inspect the completed pipe weld for any surface defects. Now let's look at the tools and equipments required for GMAW. Steel rule, ball peen hammer, half round file, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, personal safety equipment, key and spanner, helmet type screen, angle grinder,
gas regulator with preheater and flow meter,
welding power source, CCMS wire, welding gun, shielding gas cylinder. Now let us see the pre-welding preparations for a T-joint on an MS pipe outer diameter 60 mm by 3 mm wall thickness WT in flat position, arc constant rolling by GMAW. Use personal safety protection required. Cut two pipes of 100 mm and 75 mm length with diameter 60 mm and 3 mm wall thickness. Paste the profile drawing on the pipes. Punch mark the profile on both pipes and cut accordingly.
rotation of punch,
Branch pipes of mild steel may be cut with angle grinder as per marking. Deburr the cutting edges and file the edges. Clean the surface of the pipe. Set and align the branch pipe with the main pipe at an angle of 90 degrees. Select CCMS filler rod. Pressure as per specifications for both gases. Tack weld the joint at 4 places. With a 1.5 mm root gap to control distortion and to obtain penetration. Now let us see how to perform welding process of a T-joint on MS pipe outer dia 60 mm with 3 mm WT flat position using gas metal arc welding process. Use personal safety protection required. Set the tack welded MS pipe on the welding table. For welding the joint in flat position, it is convenient to use the welding table. Maintain keyhole throughout the welding and give side-to-side motion to the blowpipe to ensure good root penetration. Complete the weld in 4 sectors 1, 2, 3 and 4 along the curved joint using leftward technique. Inspect the weldments for defects. Now we'll look at the important points to follow for a T-joint on MS pipe 60 mm outer dia by 3 mm WT flat position using GMAW process. Safety precautions for GMAW. Ensure the electrical connection is tight. Use proper color lenses. Do not see the arc with bare eyes. Wear proper clothing. Keep combustibles out of the weld area. Always earth the welding machine properly. Avoid over-deposition by using a proper angle and travel speed of the electrode. Use tongs to hold the hot job. Let's see the defects now. Blowhole. Convex. Uneven ripples. Excess reinforcement.
Recap.
At the end of this topic, you will be able to draw pipe development as per drawing, set the job on the welding table and tack weld, weld using GMAW process, inspect the completed pipe weld for any surface defects. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye!